Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abhay Joinabai.
Anandita.
So today is the first time and this is the first video of this channel particularly,
Yes.
and this is Brahma Yugam.
Yeah, so please guys do subscribe our channel. We always keep on posting Malayalam movie scene reactions in this channel. So stay
Yes.
tuned and stay connected with us. But let's get started. We are super excited. This movie is having Mammootty sir,
Yes.
who is
Right. He's acting
like
guru,
superb. He's
and he has
acting guru.
given a lot of the hits.
Definitely.
And of course he is at this
One of
age
the
also he is
bestest actor.
one of the best actor
in the world.
Yes.
So let's get started. But also, if you're new to this channel, please guys do subscribe and also click on the notification bell.
Yes. And also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes. 17th century.
Malabar, South Malabar. Okay, 17th century है इसीलिए black and white I think.
Maybe this full plot of this movie maybe. That's why they're using this trick to blow this fire.
എന്താ അവിടെ?
So scary forest.
Oh, my goodness.
ഇവിടെ എന്തുണ്ട്? തീ കെടാതെ സൂക്ഷിച്ചാൽ മതി. ഇന്നിനി പുറ കടക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
Suspense.
Forest looks like so dense.
Scary.
Something would be there.
Yes. Seems like that man is gone, I guess.
He's
he's
not
alone.
there. And the fire also is not lighting up.
Hmm.
Oh man, somebody is there.
He's
Kora only.
standing.
What is it?
Tree.
भाई साहब.
Is there?
Oh man.
scene.
Where is he?
पूरा okay.
अच्छा वो टाइप का क्या बोलते हैं ना, मतलब उसको खींचता है, राइट? Gosh, I just can't believe this situation. Oh man. Moh Maya, yes. Manmohini, kind of. Oh God.
Oh no.
Pishati.
What a intro, man. Slow, black and white. This
Seriously, what an
scary
intro! What an intro!
forest and all.
I'm getting goosebumps, son.
Oh wow.
Okay, he got senseless now.
He's scared and he was
got
sleeping.
he was scared.
So this is daytime. Is he going in search of him only?
Okay,
Corral
he
not
will
come
found his dead body or what?
Oh no. He didn't went back.
Something he has seen. Maybe.
Yes.
They couldn't also temple found.
Where is he?
Such a beautiful place. अरे इंडिया में भी ऐसा ऐसा जगह है ना, हजार लोग जानते ही नहीं है ऐसा जगह है.
But we haven't reached. We need to cross this river.
Maybe that's why he's all alone.
But where he is going?
Imagine yourself in this kind of situation. You don't have mobile, nothing, no
Nothing.
connectivity.
No connectivity, no people to see.
No
and
people.
Only dense forest. Wait, did he came back that side or what? Or he crossed that river?
No, he haven't, I think so. He haven't.
Some haunted Nice.
मंदिर है कुछ.
Okay. It.
Abandoned मंदिर.
Maybe
मंदिर ही है शायद क्या?
17th century. It can be home also. Oh, no. Not a temple. I think it's a home of Amuteswar. Feel like that.
Probably.
So people are staying here at least.
See the length of the grasses, like such a well executed. I'm just thinking that. ना दिन हो गया तो बढ़ गया grass भी, like that.
Reality. Okay. At least it got something to eat.
മാപ്പാക്കണം, ഞാൻ അറിയാതെ.
എന്തിനാ വന്നേ?
ഞാൻ പുഴ കടക്കാൻ പറ്റാണ്ട് കാട്ടിലൂടെ വഴിതെറ്റി പടിപ്പുരയുടെ മുന്നിലെത്തി. പൂമുഖത്താരെയും കണ്ടില്ല.
അതുകൊണ്ട് അകത്ത് കയറി കക്കാന്നാണോ വിചാരം?
അയ്യോ, അങ്ങനെയല്ല. വിശന്നിട്ടെടുത്തതാ. അടിയൻ പൊക്കോളം.
ഈ മനക്കലെ പടിപ്പര കടന്നാ പിന്നെ പാടവും പുഴയും മലയൊക്കെ ഇത് തന്നെയാ. ഇതേതാ മാസം?
കന്നിക്കൊയ്ത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു, തുലാൻ തുടങ്ങി.
Means he also doesn't know which season.
കാലം പോലെ കലങ്ങി മറിഞ്ഞൊരു പുഴ വേറെ ഇല്ല. അത് തിരിഞ്ഞും മറിഞ്ഞു ഒഴുകും. അക്കരെ കടക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമല്ല.
ആരാ? ആരാന്നാ ചോദിച്ചേ?
അത്
ആര് പടിപ്പര കടന്നാലും ഞാൻ അറിയും.
ഒരു വഴിപോക്കനാ.
These are, I guess. Hey,
Yes.
he's here. So that's
The
why
intro.
I felt like this chair.
The chair.
Right. Oof.
വളരെ കാലത്തിന് ശേഷം ഒരു അതിഥി എത്തുന്ന മഹത്തായ ദിവസം. എന്റെ മനക്കിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Pan.
ആരാ? എന്തിനാ ഇപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നേ?
ദേവെന്ന പേര്. പാട്ടുപാടി കോലത്ത് തമ്പ്രാനെ പള്ളി ഉണർത്തിയെന്ന പാണന പോരുടങ്ങിയപ്പോ ജീവനും കൊണ്ട് ഓടിയതാ. അക്കരെത്തിയ പിന്നെ പേടിക്കണ്ടല്ലോ.
ഓ, പാണൻ, ബാണൻ, ബാണഭട്ടൻ. വലിയ പാരമ്പര്യമാണല്ലോ.
അയ്യോ, അതൊന്നുമില്ല.
എന്നാ പിന്നെ പൂമണിപ്പാണനാരുടെ പിന്മുറക്കാരനാവും അല്ലേ?
അതെ.
നേരെ നോക്കാം.
Okay.
बाप रे बाप,
Man, still we
ये
haven't
movie
seen
तो
Mohammed sir
मतलब-
face yet.
Yes. Whew, I am just loving this kind of content.
So silent,
So
kind
silent.
of, but still with the music you will feel some storm is going
Storm is
behind.
going on, yes.
Something is going on, man.
This is the magic of this execution.
Right,
This kind of
seriously.
execution.
So
They have
17th
maintained every
century's,
single thing.
story
Yes,
is something
17th
going on.
story,
Right.
South
17th
Malabar.
century, yes.
Sorry, 17th century Malabar, South Malabar.
Yes.
The story is, and like whatever the storyline is going on, that we understood that I think they are singers. They lost the way inside the like forest wood, and then one guy got, you know,
Killed.
he got
right?
killed, and somehow he got saved, but he came here like nobody knows what will be happen now with him here,
Right.
because the house is looking so abundant, like people it's looking like people are not living over here.
It seems like
right?
that. yes,
Grasses are
because
very
grasses are
long,
and
and also surroundings are like that only, that it is
It's not
abundant
maintained,
completely.
right, yes.
Yes, तो वो वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, that is the main, and I'm sure that is Mammootty sir, right?
Yes, yes.
Whoever
I'm
has
also
just
sure.
come,
Yes.
the master of the family. So yes, definitely it's a 10 on 10 already, guys, because the music, the whole vibe, everything is 10 on 10, every single thing of this movie. And I'm just loving this black and white kind of picturization. It's meaningful, right?
Yes,
It
yes,
is
because
going
it's
very
going
well
over
with the
17th century
timing,
so it's, yes, exactly, they have maintained that tone. Right.
Yeah, so yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed our reaction, and please do subscribe, guys. Make us help to increase this family,
this
because we
channel.
have just started Malayalam movie in this channel for the very first time. This is the first video, so
Right.
we hope that you guys will, like, you know, come and subscribe our channel and like our videos. Please do subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.